Diversify your content by starting a vlog on YouTube. Video content engages a broader audience and provides a more personal connection. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses, tutorials, or discussions related to your writing and content creation process. Build relationships within your industry. Engage with fellow writers, content creators, and influencers. Collaboration can expose your work to new audiences and provide valuable insights. Attend conferences, join online communities, and participate in conversations. Consistently deliver high-quality content that adds value to your audience. Whether it's informative articles, entertaining stories, or thought-provoking essays, ensure your work is polished and aligns with your brand. Quality content builds trust, establishes credibility, and encourages audience loyalty. Actively engage with your audience through comments, messages, and discussions. Respond to feedback, ask for opinions, and encourage conversation. This interaction humanizes your brand, making it more relatable. Authentic engagement fosters a sense of community and can turn casual followers into dedicated fans. Explore free tools to enhance your content creation. Canva offers graphic design capabilities. Grammarly ensures polished writing, and Audacity is excellent for audio editing. These tools can elevate the professionalism of your content without breaking the bank. Regularly monitor your performance metrics using analytics tools. Track the engagement, reach, and conversion rates of your content. Analyzing this data provides insights into what works and what needs improvement. Use these insights to refine your strategy and continue evolving your brand. Building a brand as a writer and content creator is an ongoing process that requires dedication, authenticity, and adaptability. By defining your voice, understanding your audience, and consistently delivering quality content, you can establish a strong personal brand that resonates with your audience and opens doors to new opportunities. Embrace the journey, stay true to your passion, and watch your brand flourish in the digital landscape. You can find me on most platforms under Just Elliot 6. Also, you can visit my website www.chessandpoems.com. Thank you for watching.